Let's face it, the world of investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. You might think you need a lot of money to get started. The truth is you don't. It's not about how much you have, it's about taking that first step. Starting small, even with just $100, is incredibly powerful. Why? Because time is your greatest ally in investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This is the magic of compound interest. Your money makes more money, and then that money makes even more money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining momentum as it goes. Imagine two investors. One starts with $100 today, the other waits 10 years and starts with $1,000. You might be surprised to learn that, over time, the early bird often comes out ahead. This is why it's crucial to start investing as soon as you can, no matter how small the amount. Remember, the goal is to build a habit of investing. Starting small helps you do just that. It allows you to learn the ropes, make adjustments, and gain confidence as you go. So, you've got your $100 ready? What's next? Here's a simple roadmap to get you started. First, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Spend some time learning the basics of investing. There are tons of free resources available online like Investopedia or Khan Academy. Second, choose your platform. You'll need a brokerage account to invest your money. Look for platforms with low fees and easy-to-use interfaces, especially if you're a beginner. Third, set your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your investments? Retirement? A down payment on a house? Having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. Finally, start investing. With your account set up and your goals in mind, it's time to take the plunge. Remember, you don't have to invest the entire $100 at once. You can start small and gradually increase your investments over time. Now let's talk about where to put your money. When you're starting with a small amount, it's essential to choose low-cost investment options. Here are two great choices. Index funds. These funds track a specific market index like the S&P 500. They offer instant diversification and are known for their low fees. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Similar to index funds, ETFs also offer diversification and low costs. They trade on stock exchanges, making them highly liquid and accessible. Both index funds and ETFs are excellent choices for beginner investors. They provide a simple and effective way to participate in the stock market without having to pick individual stocks. The most important takeaway is this: don't wait to start investing. Time is your greatest asset. Even if you only have $100 to spare, taking that first step is crucial. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. It's about making consistent progress over time. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your money grow. The future you will thank you for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wealth tips.